In today's video, I'm going to teach you this workflow automatically generates AI images and saves them to AWS S3 cloud storage. By the end, you'll have an automated pipeline that creates a fresh AI prompt, turns it into an image, and stores it neatly in the cloud, perfect for design, marketing, and creative projects. We'll start by running the workflow manually. In n8n, the manual trigger node kicks everything off the moment you click Execute Workflow. This is your on-demand start button, so you can generate a new image whenever you need one without waiting for a schedule or external event. Next, we set a couple of key inputs with the edit fields, also known as the set node. Here you define AWS region and folder name, simple fields that drive the rest of the process. For example, you might use a region like APE Southeast 1 and a folder such as My S3 folder. Keeping these settings in one place makes it easy to switch regions or reorganize storage later. With configuration in place, the workflow creates your S3 bucket using the Create AWS S3 bucket node. A bucket is the primary container for files in Amazon S3. The workflow automatically builds a unique name by incorporating the workflow ID so you don't run into naming conflicts. If a matching bucket already exists, the workflow continues seamlessly without failing. Once the bucket is ready, a folder is created inside it using the Create a Folder node for AWS S3. This step organizes your files so generated images don't pile up at the root level. The folder name comes directly from your earlier configuration, ensuring consistency across runs. Now we generate a creative prompt with the prompt generation agent. This AI agent randomly picks a topic, such as education, science, sport, economy, or health, and crafts a descriptive idea to inspire the image. The OpenAI chat model powers this logic, expanding the request into a detailed, ready-to-use prompt that guides image creation. With the prompt finalized, the Generate an Image node sends it to the OpenAI image model, which produces an image file from the description. The result is a fresh asset, ready for storage or sharing. Finally, we upload the image to S3 using the Upload a File node. The file lands in the folder you created earlier, and its name includes the current date for uniqueness. For example, image 2t250817.png. From here, you can retrieve it for websites, apps, or design workflows. There are also optional cleanup nodes. Delete uploaded image and delete a folder, kept disabled for safety. Enable them when you need to remove test files or clear out old assets. That's the entire flow, automated end-to-end, and easy to adapt as your needs grow.